Magesh, please tell me about yourself, Magesh.
Sir, myself Mahesh Padore. I have completed my graduation and I have completed 3 semesters of MBA in finance. I have also completed CIIB and I have joined IDBI in 2017 and I work for IDBI for 6 years now and I have handled one to two decks, sir. Means I was previously a relationship manager and now I am a SOM, that is senior operation manager.
Mhm. So, what are the responsibilities of a senior operations manager?
To look after all the operations in the branch.
What are all the operations that are performed in the branch?
Like opening the saving bank account, current bank account, means attending all the walking customers, and if there is something like for some customer is coming to have some information regarding loan, I have to approach the customer for collecting the all documents from them for the process of loan. Means
But
all the daily
do,
operation in the branch.
don't you have marketing officials for such purposes? Why do you have to do that?
Actually, I come from the small branch. There is only 3 officers in the branch. One is cashier. I am the senior operation manager, and one is branch head. So I have to look after all the operation in the bank. Means all the marketing from loan sourcing, all gold loans. Means each and everything is handled by me. Means all the operation plus asset.
What is the name of the branch?
A Malvan branch.
Where is it?
It is in Konkan region, sir.
Which state?
Konkan, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra state, Siliguri
Mahar-
district.
Very good, very good, very good. So, what is the
Yeah,
total
actually, it
business
is
of
in very remote area. It is started in 2016. That's means this is a new branch. So
what is
there is a
the what is the total
staff.
business of your branch?
Actually, total CASA we have improved from 2 crore to 6 crores now in this 5 to 6 years, and our total loan portfolio is 7 crore. Out of that 7 crores, last 2 years I have disbursed 2 crore to SHG groups and 2 crores of gold loan, and very little loan portfolio is of home loan, auto loan, and all or MSME loans.
You have,
Mostly,
you have applied for scale 3 only,
oh yes, sir, skill.
but what is the response of your boss regarding your achievement? Is he happy about your achievement, or
Yes, sir, happy. He is happy about because the branch was in loss making for last 3 years.
Acha?
I have joined the bank in 2000, means 2020. I joined the branch in 2020, and within 2 years, 2 to 3 years, we make the branch profitable. Last quarter profit was 25 lakhs, and year's profit was almost 60 to 70 lakhs, sir. And before that, before 2020, it was in loss, sir. So
Mhm.
he's very happy with my contribution to the branch, sir.
How many vouchers per day you will have?
It is around 50 vouchers, cash plus payment, receivable, cash receipt plus payment.
Don't you think it is very low?
Yes, it is very low. Actually, there was a portfolio of 10 lakh of gold loan before 2020, but within 2 years, I have made that to 2 crores, sir. And
Acha.
also there was no SHG loan before 2020, but within 2 years I have disbursed almost 2 to 4 crores, sir, and
Fine.
open saving accounts 100 to 200, sir.
Very good. Anyhow, doesn't matter. But then,
Actually it is a new uh, actually
because the
branch start.
central bank headquarters is in Maharashtra, Bombay only, they will be knowing nook and corner of your place. Is central bank having a branch in your place?
No, sir, there is no central bank in Malvan region because it is a very coastal area. That's why we are not able to source home loan.
Acha.
The big ticket loan we are not able to because this comes under CRZ, no, so it is very restricted to disburse the home loan. So we
Acha.
focus to gold loan, auto loan, SHG loans, and all that, sir.
So what are your achievements?
The achievements, it's sir. I look after all the operations. Plus, I also look into the disbursements of all the loans, sir. Because I have to source the loans, I have to marketing. Means all the operation is done by me. Because only one is clerk and we two officers. One is branch head and me. So I have to look. Means each and every works has
Acha,
to go
acha.
through me.
One is branch head means you are not the branch head.
No, no, I am not the branch head, sir.
Oh, but you are in scale 2.
Yes, sir.
Your branch head is in scale 2.
No, 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 sir. Right now, I'm in the scale two. Before that, I recently got promoted to scale two, sir.
Acha, acha. You were
And
in scale.
I'm waiting for my transfer to some other places.
Acha, acha, acha. That is the reason.
Uh,
Very good. That
yeah.
doesn't matter. Good, good, good. But is the staff strength sufficient for your branch or it is not
No, no,
sufficient?
no, no. Actually, not sufficient, but we can't do anything about it, sir. We asked them for staff, but they are not. Means they also saying that we are constrained of staff in our urban areas. So how we provide you staff at rural or semi-urban areas?
How
So within
how has the privatization affected you or your service?
generally not at all affected by privatization.
Your
I'm
salary was not touched,
no, salary was not touched.
and
Work environment is the same.
acha.
No
But of
changes in work
but of
environment,
course,
no changes in salary.
recruitment wise, they are adopting different strategies. Probably they adopt.
Actually, Actually, what happens in IDBI Bank? Generally, there is yearly basis. There is 1,000 PO recruitment is there almost. Over last 3 years, we if we see there is almost 8 to 900 people from for PO they select. But what happens? They take experience of 2 years and they leave the bank. That is what the problem with IDBI. Same go with the executive or clerk post. I'm observing that from last 3 years there is almost 1,000 executives filled by the bank, but almost 70 to 800 people leave the bank because of privatization.
Are they not being
This
paid IBA salary?
Yes, for officer there is IBA salary, but for clerk they recruit for contractual basis for 3 years. On every year their contracts get renewed, and that's why they think that after 3 years will they confirm us or not. This fear always in the mind of executive. That's why they actually just for getting work they join, but back in their mind they always try to leave the bank as early as possible. And this happening from when in March 2019 this is happening because everyone is try to get the job in other nationalized bank.
What is the happiest day you had so far?
Actually, happiest day. Actually, I don't know, but I'm
Don't tell
always
personal level, official level.
official. Just I got promoted to scale two.
Acha, good. Was the promotion based on test only or test and interview?
Both, sir.
Acha, then you must be thorough with the way the questions are asked. What were the questions that were asked to you?
Likewise, they knew that I was in Malvan branch, so they asked me about gold loan, personal loan,
Hmm.
little bit about CC and
Hmm.
SHG group, how I convert those CC into gold loan, and then that all members account got opened by me as means saving account. So I can means those officer who come to my place, he will easily achieve gold loan targets and uh, third product means bank assurance and all that. Because uh, if we give the loan to the SHG groups, no, so ultimately we can access to many other things like saving bank accounts we get to the members, female members, we can easily convert their means we can easily try to make them to avail gold loan from us.
Do you have
So this
self-help groups of male members?
no, sir, only female members.
Only female members are there. Acha, acha. Doesn't matter. Now,
Mm.
why should I give preference to you?
Mm,
Because you have now only got scale 2,
mm.
and within this time, why should you be elevated to scale 3? Sorry,
Because
I wish you get it, but I samapi question jarur they will ask.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can
Mm,
understand.
mm,
Actually, I have 6 years of experience. On that experience, I have managed my loss-making branch to convert into the profitable one.
mm.
So I guess I can means I'm ready to get new opportunities, new risk, and accordingly I can work for the organization very well. I means
Mm.
does it sufficient, sir, or I have to improve my answer? Or
No, no, but in one problem with you is that you have not been branch head.
yes, sir.
Whatever you say is the supposed to be the credit of your branch head, not yours.
Mm-hmm.
So from
Yes, sir.
that
But
angle, how can you differentiate it for you only? Because it is the branch
mm,
head's leadership style that has brought success.
yes, sir.
So
But
this type of
all the work
question,
is done by me. Actually, all the
all the work may
actually
be done. Yeah.
that's why I got promoted, sir.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, good.
Because the regional office very well knew that all that work is done by me.
So
Means
in your branch, which is the major type of advances you have given?
major advances is I have disbursed one home loan of 20-30 lakhs, not more
Mm,
than that.
mm,
This is small branch,
mhm.
so 30 lakhs is max loan disbursed by
No, no,
means
I'm not
this branch,
asking
Malwa branch.
maximum loan. Which
Uh,
type of loan is more? That is gold loan
yes, sir.
or
Yes, sir.
agriculture
Yes,
loan?
sir. Yes, agriculture loan, sir.
Agriculture loan. You are giving in the form of KCC?
Not in the form of KCC as well as SHG. SHG comes under agri.
Acha, SHG also comes under agri?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Then what is the maximum SHG loan you have granted?
10 lakh per SHG, sir.
10 lakh is that. Very good. So why men self-help groups are not formed? Why they are not becoming successful?
Maybe their repayment is not sure, like to women, or the government policies to empowerment of women. That's why they are especially forcing us to give the loan to the female SHG group.
Mhm.
Women empowerment may be the main reason behind it.
Very good. Now, how do you think this Russia-Ukraine war has affected our banking sector?
Actually, Russia-Ukraine war affect all of us because crude oil prices were below $70. But after Ukraine and Russia war, what happens that G7 countries like USA, France, UK, they impose ban on Russian oil. So developing countries like India, China, they were not able to easily get the oil.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
but favorably, our external affair minister was very clever, and our foreign ministry was very keen to get all those things because they didn't side anyway. matlab, they don't took side of Ukraine or Russia. They always say that diplomacy is the answer for this to stop the Russia and Ukraine war. So we were not opposed to get the Russia oil. So we get that oil on discounted rate. That's why we survive. In case
Okay.
otherwise, if we
Tell
don't
me
get
what is cyber security?
cyber security is all about means like the online scams is there, no?
Hmm.
So to prevent the scams like honey trapping may becomes under the cyber security or like WhatsApp call from other countries. So recently, government of India has not government of India but WhatsApp head office has published notification regarding in case you getting international call, don't get it or don't receive it. Directly block that number or like ATM scan. like if you share the OTP and all that, this comes under severe cyber security must be there to prevent all this. Recently, Delhi police or UP police has one at a time arrested 126 people from Noida or Gurgaon region.
Acha, tell
For,
me why banks are very keen on getting more CASA deposits.
because they are very, we can get that very low rate of interest, because cost of this CASA accounts is very low. So that's why we should prefer to the CASA mainly to the current accounts, because we have to don't pay the interest to the current account holders. Or even if you get the saving accounts, we have to pay only 3.5%. So we can easily get deposit at low cost, and we can manage our months. We should have the 3 to 4% of margin to become bank profitable. So
Expand
if we are getting
expand NIM.
NIM,
Net interest margin.
yes sir, yes sir, net interest.
Net
Sorry
interest.
sir.
What is the amount up to which IMPS can be used?
IMPS for any amount.
Any amount? No,
Up to
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
It was
Sorry,
up
sir.
to
I will
2
read.
lakhs. Now it has been increased to 5 lakhs. Who is the chairman of DICGC?
DIGC. I don't know, sir, but I know the DIGC is
What up to what
for
amount
what
it is guaranteed?
guaranteed up to 5 lakhs, sir.
Chairman's name is MD Patro.
Okay, sir. I will read on this, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you
Sir,
so
can
much.
you, sir,
Yeah.
can you give me feedback about my interview, sir? What is my skills, or means not skills, but
No,
do I?
actually, your case, the only problem is that you have been promoted recently only, and you have not had the option of working in a bank as branch head. Even scale 1, scale 2 branch head, you have not worked. So you may pass the first round. Second round में क्या होगा देखना पड़ेगा what they will decide, because उनका expectation is that they want people with branch head exposure or credit exposure or foreign exchange exposure. आपको किसी चीज में ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं किया आपने in terms of value, but in terms of the performance in that location, it is very good. But that cannot be told, 100% what you have done in a very difficult place is good. But in terms of numbers, amounts and all, इसमें impressive performance नहीं होता है. Understand,
Yes,
Magesh?
sir, yes.
So that is a
Yes,
thing.
sir, yes.
Doesn't matter. You don't worry. You take this as initial experience. You go for the interview. Try to be in touch. Have you passed JIB, CIB?
Yes, sir. CIB I have cleared.
Very good. Then it should not be a problem. You equip your knowledge regarding banking and other things. Keep yourself in touch. I'm sure you will get good results. But be reading. Be reading. Have confidence. And prepare. Prepare. But profile wise देखने से तो उतना covering nahi hai. Because why to give scale 3 for a person who has been promoted only scale 2 just now?
Yes, sir, yes.
And that too in a bank like IDBI.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
If you are from State Bank of India, आपको तो merit ज़्यादा होगा because your competition would have been still higher. I'm not telling that you had less competition here, but still doesn't matter.
Yes.
Best wishes. I wish you success.
Sir, can means sir एक question पूछ सकता हूँ, और मतलब कि
Please
there is
ask.
any deficiency in my
there is
any lack of
confidence, no deficiency, but in terms of communication wise confidence level is थोड़ा से कम लगता है. That is the confidence level of speaking in English or whatever other language is थोड़ा कम देख रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. That is my perception. I may be wrong, but this can be overcome provided you think that you are good and you will be able to perform better, and you have to contribute well. Do you understand my point?
Yes, I have to improve my confidence in talking and all that,
Yeah,
sir.
and for you also same feedback. Your answers are slightly lengthy. थोड़ा कम
Yes,
करना
sir.
है.
Yes,
थोड़ा
yes,
ये
sir. Yes, sir.
these two you
Just
take
because
care.
of language barrier, we have to improve our proficiency in English.
Yeah.
This is what the main problem with us, because we are not well proficient in English. If you are proficient in
Mostly
English,
they
you
may
can.
talk in Hindi. Mostly they may talk in Hindi. हिंदी में आप पक्का
in,
आंसर्स बता दीजिए,
in case,
ठीक हो जाएगा.
yes. In case otherwise, if they ask in Hindi, I will make that answer in short but sweet, like that.
Yeah, please do that. Best
Okay.
wishes. God bless you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. I'll close now because I have to come again for LIC AAO class. Thank you.
Okay, sir.